I'm going to write her a letter.
Talulah?
No, I'm going to write a letter to Talulah's back.
You're going to write a letter to Talulah's back.
Yes. I'm going to tell her to leave Talulah alone.
Dear Talulah's back, it's time we had a chat. Some things have come to my attention, and I thought it time that I'd mention. It can't be easy being Talulah's back. Driving round and round can't be easy. One more stop and you'll start to feel queasy. Taking the boat out when it's really breezy, and when the weather's cold you start to feel sneezy. So many people really want to know, where on earth did their parcel go? It's not Talulah's fault that it's not in her backpack. You can see why all this plays havoc on her back. There is just one thing that we ask. Please don't hurt Talulah anymore. Please don't hurt Talulah anymore. Oh, please don't hurt Talulah anymore. It doesn't matter if it rains or the sun shines. Talulah delivers the post with a smile. She's the best thing about every day. So please take this back pain away. It doesn't matter if it rains or the sun shines. Talulah delivers the post with a smile. She's the best thing about every day. So please take this back pain away. Dear Talulah's back, thank you for the chat. I brought some things to your attention. Now rid yourself of these painful sensations.
Thank you, Talulah's back.
Hello? Oh, hello, Talulah. We were just talking about you. I see. I see. Really? Amazing. Well, thank you for letting us know.
Well, what did she say?
She said she's feeling a lot better and she'll be back to work on Monday.
I will have such fun today. We will have plenty to say. I will write some songs to play, and Simon says I'll guide the ships coming our way so they can sail into the bay.